Sir, would you like a sample? California-shaped calzones. Don't be shy, it's free. Sir, would you like to try a sample?
No thanks.
Free sample? Please just try it, I promise you'll love it! I'm sorry.
Fresh calzones. Okay. Ow. Hey, would you like to try a calzone? No? Okay. No. Oh, hey, you should get a calzone. Or not. Just keep walking. That's fine. Ow. Oh.
Samples?
I don't get it. Our food is good. Why do people eat that stuff?
Hey, you! Why don't you eat our food? Why? So delicious! Would you like to try a sample?
Let go of me!
Okay.
Jeez.
There.
What? A paying customer.
But Grizz!
$500? That could end our lives!
Oh, so torn. Huh? Thank you, sir. One calzone coming right up. Here you go, friend. Enjoy. Woohoo! Look at this, we're rich.